Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Logical Formulas in Microsoft Excel 2010. Once again, I repeat the topic, Introduction to Logical Formulas in Microsoft Excel 2010. And these are the objectives in which we are going to discuss using this presentation. First comes AND function, false function, if error function, not function, or function, and true functions. These are the functions we are going to discuss using this presentation. We'll see one by one. First, we'll see AND function. The syntax is equal to AND logic 1 and logic 2 dot dot dot. You can use a number of logic. Description, check whether all arguments are true, right? So here logic 1 and logic 2, all other logic should be true, and return true if all arguments are true, right? If all logics are true, it will return true. If any one of the logic fails, it will return false. Next comes for function. Syntax equal to false. Description, return the logic value false. Next comes if function. Syntax is equal to if logic underscore test, comma, value if true, value if false. Here you want to give the logic. If the logic is true, this value will be retrieved. If the logic is false, this value will be retrieved. Description, check whether a condition met. If condition met, it will return true, or else it will return false. If error function. Syntax is equal to if error, value you want to give the value condition, and value if error, right? If any error occurs in this part, automatically this value will be retrieved. Return value if error. So when this value will be returned, if expression is an error, automatically this value will be retrieved. Next comes not function. Syntax equal to not logic. So where this logic is nothing but if you give true, it will return false. If you give false, it will return true. It will give the vice versa. Last function is true. Syntax equal to true of logic. Description, return the logic value true. So these are the functions we are going to discuss. Now I'm going to have some practical session for your betterment. So here I have prepared a chart which consists of serial number 1 to 10, and A some values, and B some values, and C some values. Using this, I am going to explain how to use AND, false, if error, not, or, and true. Let me see AND, right? So before that, where you can able to find this logical formula, you just click this fx. So here select a category, go right here and select logical, and where you can able to find AND, false, if error, not, or, and true. Okay, so first I'm going to use AND. So click your formula bar, put equal to. Whenever you are going for formula, you want to put equal to as a first syntax. So AND, A-N-D. So what I'm going to check is, I'm going to check A is less than B as well as B is less than C. If this criteria, both logics, is true, this AND function will return true, or else it will return false. Now AND A less than B, comma, B less than C. Okay, you just press enter. Now this condition, both condition are true, so it return true. Just click it, drag it, and drop it. Now you can able to see this for this false, this is false, and this for this false, 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 and this is true. So likewise we can use the AND function. False functions is equal to, so false, so which will return the value false. And if function, it's very easy, is equal to if. So logical value I'm going to check greater than, that is A is greater or B is greater. So A is greater than B. I'm going to show A is greater, or else B is greater. It's very simple. See, now the value B is greater, you just click it, drag it, and drop it. You can able to see A for this B, A and B. And if error, next topic is if errors. So go to formula bar, type, so if error. So I'm going to use the criteria A divided by B. Okay, if any errors, I'm going to use the condition divisible by 0. Okay, just drag it and see. So here, because we cannot able to divide a number by 0, so it's a divisible by 0. Here also the same 0. So where you can able to find these two values, so divisible by 0, so divisible by 0. And next comes not function. So put equal to not. Okay, so I'm going to use this. So it will convert vice versa opposite. So here true, false. Just click it, drag it and drop it. Now see, it's very easy. Now OR function, right? This function will return true when any one of the criteria, either A or B, is true, right? We'll check is equal to, or okay, I'm going to check A is greater than B, comma, second logic, A is greater than C. Okay, so false. Just click it, drag it and drop it. See, here this criteria for this is true, this is true, this is true, and this is true, and this one is false. You just check it. Okay, and last is true. So type true, which will return the logic value true. Just drop it. So just select this, just select this. So this is how you want to use this. I'm going to use our table column, so where we have used all our logical functions, and that's all about logical functions. I think you may enjoy this video. If you're having any doubt, just use this email ID to put your doubt across. And I want to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you.